Stop applying this serum directly onto your dry skin right now. If you are doing that, congratulations. You are actively turning your face into a cracked, dehydrated desert. In today's The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2+B5 review, I am going to show you the fatal mistake that causes this cult favorite serum to literally suck water out of your skin. More importantly, I will share exactly how to pivot your routine so this product can work at its absolute maximum capacity. We are going to uncover the raw truth about the newly reformulated version of this iconic product. Does it actually get rid of that infamous tacky and sticky finish? Can it truly repair a compromised skin barrier after harsh treatments with retinol or BHA? Make sure you follow along closely until the very end, because skipping the crucial moisture locking step means you are simply throwing your hard-earned money out the window. Let us break down the science behind this multimolecular hyaluronic acid without getting lost in boring technical jargon. Think of the larger molecules as a protective shield resting on the surface to create a natural moisture barrier. Meanwhile, the smaller molecules dive deep into the epidermis to deliver intense hydration where your skin needs it most. But the real magic happens when they combine this with vitamin B5, also known as Panthenol. This combination acts like a soothing blanket for your face, quickly calming down redness and irritation. If you pair this routine with a touch of niacinamide, it becomes an absolute powerhouse for balancing your skin texture. Now, let us be completely honest and talk about the elephant in the room. I have to admit, the old version of this serum had a famously thick texture that often caused severe pilling under makeup and left a terribly sticky residue. It was incredibly frustrating to use if you were in a rush in the morning. However, the brand listened. And the reformulated version has added ceramides to the mix while completely transforming the delivery system. Let me describe exactly how this feels when you apply it incorrectly versus correctly. Imagine applying a thick drop onto a completely dry face. You will immediately feel your base becoming tacky. The product will sit heavily on top, and your foundation will inevitably look cakey and separated by noon. That is because hyaluronic acid is a humectant that desperately looks for water to bind to. If there is no moisture on your skin surface, it will draw moisture from deep within your own skin cells and evaporate it into the dry air. Now, let us switch up the technique and do it the right way. After cleansing, spray a generous layer of hydrating toner so your face is visibly damp. While your skin is still wet, gently pat just 2 drops of the serum across your face. You will feel it melt instantly into the skin with zero pilling and absolutely no sticky finish. Immediately seal that hydration in with your favorite moisturizer to trap those water molecules. The result is a deeply plump, radiant, and flawless glass skin finish that lasts all day long. So, who is this serum actually designed for? If you have a compromised skin barrier that is peeling from strong, active ingredients, or if you are tired of your makeup constantly looking cakey, this is for you. It is one of the most cost-effective investments for your routine, provided you sandwich it perfectly between your toner and your moisturizer. Before we wrap up, I need to share a crucial warning about protecting yourself, because this product remains incredibly popular globally. The market is absolutely flooded with dangerous counterfeit versions. Using a fake serum can cause severe breakouts and permanently damage your skin texture. To ensure you are getting the authentic formulation and keeping your skin completely safe, you should only shop from verified official stores. To save you time and protect your skin, the link to buy the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2+B5 review on Amazon is in the video description below. I hope these insights on Celine Skincare Studio today have helped you understand exactly how to force this serum to unleash its full hydrating power. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button to support the channel. Do not forget to check the description for that safe link. I will see you in our next beauty analysis video.